Number 10 of 19 and tour favorites in the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series is Gravedigger the Legend. And it is very nice to see this truck back out here in the Monster Jam Hot Wheels line. The last time he was available was back in 2015 with the Battle Slammer series. On the back of the card shows you how to crush the card, then how it pops back up. Let's take a look at the trucks on the back of the card. We have Higher Education and Tour Favorites, Megalodon, Epic Editions, Backdraft, Tour Favorites, Virginia Giant, X-Ray Body. There's Gravedigger the Legend, Carolina Crusher, Epic Editions, Avenger in Tour Favorites, and El Toro Loco in Creatures. I got Gravedigger the Legend at the store called Target, just in case if you were wondering. So it comes with the green crushable car. So here comes Gravedigger the Legend into the arena, looking very sharp, and it has the BKT tires. Let's also take a closer look of Gravedigger. There we go. Gravedigger the Legend has the new Monster Jam logo, Hot Wheels logo. Around where it's a upside down triangle for the Monster Jam logo, it's supposed to be yellow, and it kinda is, but it's not fully like it should be, just how they produced it. And also Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina, up above the Monster Jam logo. Looking at the front of Gravedigger the Legend, very cool. The other side, Gravedigger. And on the back, it has back-to-back Monster Jam World Finals Racing Champion. I would like to see this truck come back sometime in the real Monster Jam truck. Hopefully, maybe it will. But that does it for this review, and thank you for tuning in.